Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable version on Linux Mint 22.2, but the process is same on all Linux Mint operating systems. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine. Now search for Google Chrome download. Click on this Google Chrome web browser, then click on download Chrome. For Linux Mint or Ubuntu or Debian type operating systems, we have to select this 64-bit Debian package. Then click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. If download doesn't start, we have to click on this download Chrome manually. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is about 115 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. See, here we have the Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo is hit enter. We have successfully installed Google Chrome web browser. Now go to all applications, then search for Chrome. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See here the checkboxes. Make the Google Chrome as the default browser. If you want, you can select it. If you don't want, unselect it. Automatically send user statistics and class reports to Google. You have to select the checkbox. I don't want either of them. Then click on OK. I don't want to sign in. Got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. This is the way to download and install Google Chrome stable current version on Linux Mint 22.2. Unless this file is not recorded anymore because we have successfully installed. Remove the file rm, then give Google, give the tab to autofill entire file name. We have cleared the switch. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome stable current version on Linux Mint 22.2. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.